We are doing CSS Daily for March 27th. I'm going to go through the HTML quickly just to get an understanding. So we have the card, which is the main thing. We have a header section with this stuff and the done tag pill, whatever we want to call that. Stats row with a stat 42-minute duration. We have a stat divider. I don't know what that is. I don't see anything that is dividing the stats anywhere. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Then we have like a stat group. Then we have the progress bar. Then an exercise list with some dots. There's done dots and exercise dots. And then we have an exercise. It's an exercise item, dot, push up, and sets and reps. Then we have a footer. There is a divider down here, but there doesn't seem to be anything specifically for it, which is interesting. We have the streak and then the login button. Okay. Let's look at what they've provided for CSS. So we have some card stuff. We have a card background, card border. I guess there's a border. We have the corner radius. We have some label stuff. We have some badge stuff. We have some stats stuff. We have this divider color, but no divider. I don't know. I don't know what that is. We have the progress track. We have the dot done and dot skip. I guess the skip. Did that one have a skip? The shoulder press? Yes, it does have a skip. Okay. We have an exercise name color and detail color. Then the streak color is this, I assume, button background, button text, and button radius. Okay. Seems pretty straightforward. This time they have the body here, but the body's not styled. It's so strange. There's no styling on it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I guess it is time to start. So let's go. I'm going to put a background of var pg card background. I'm going to put an outline on it. 1Q solid for a minute. We're going to have a height of 300 pixels. We're going to have a width of 400 pixels. Those aren't right, but we have to do something. 340, 350. 350 is pretty close, and then this is 410. I think maybe it's a little taller. I can't see where the bottom is. The slider's kind of in the way. I don't know. I'm going to leave it there for now. Okay. We're going to put a border radius of var radius, card radius. There we go. Needs to be a little wider, I think. 415. Needs to be a little taller. Let's make it 355. That's close-ish. Let's look at the diff. No, it's not that close, actually. Not really close at all. See, the diff view looks so different. I don't know. This actually shouldn't be an outline. I actually have a border on that. I don't know how thick it is. Let's use 1 pixel, solid, and then var border, card border. That's the one I want. And there. See, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to make it wider for 20. Okay, 25, 30. And then I'm going to make it taller. Be 60, 65. Oh, why did that make it wider? 60. That's confusing. Okay, we're going to keep moving. Card header. We're going to do display flex, wow, flex, padding, 20 pixels. Okay, now we have header left, which is going to be color, var, whoops, I don't know what it is. Button text, badge text, either of those. It's up here. Label color or title color, one of those two. Let's try title color. I don't know if that's right or not. I can't even see what it is. We are going to say font size 15 pixels. Why is that not applying? Oh, because I don't have a semicolon. Okay. Smaller, 12. 13 looks close. And then what is this? Color red. Okay, that's the top part. Okay, so this is going to get var title color, right? I don't know. And then this is going to get some other color. Of course, it could be the same. Label color. Yeah, that's wrong. It's going back to title color. Okay. And then this gets a font size of, I don't know, 18 pixels. Again, I have them, I think, backwards. 13, and then make this one 18. Okay, that's getting a little better. The done is wrong. Title. Oh, okay. Badge is the thing that I'm looking for. Badge is the done part. So it's going to get a background var badge bg. Whoops. And it's going to get a color of var badge text. It's going to get a border radius. Still not right. Yes. Still not right. Yes. Is there a variable for that? Badge radius, button radius. BA button radius is the thing I think I want. And then back up here on our header, we need a justify content, space between, and align items, center. And then back on the badge, we need a font size 12 pixels, and we need padding of, I don't know what it is, 4 pixels, 8 pixels. Okay, actually this is not centered, is it? Flex start. That's closer. It's not right, but it's closer. Okay, we're going to transition to this part. What do we call this part? The stats row. Okay, stats row is going to get a background var something, whoops, bg, button, card bg, badge text, none of those. Let's go up, label badge, stat value color. Oh no, unit color, label color, divider color, progress. We don't have a background for that? Card background, badge background, stat value color, stat unit color, stat label color, divider color. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's a divider color. Let's see. Divider color looks decent. Let's see what the diff says on that part. I don't know. Maybe. It's hard to tell the difference. Okay. We're going to set a height of 100 pixels. We're going to set a margin of -20 pixels. That's going to be just margin top. It's not quite that much, -15. That's not terrible. We're going to set margin inline of 20 pixels. 25. Doesn't look terrible. We're going to do border radius of var rate. We're going to do radius, button radius. We'll try it. Okay, and it's going to be display flex. And each stat is also going to be display flex direction column. And then up here, we're going to do justify content space around. And down here, we're going to do justify content center, align items center. All right, stat value is going to be big, so font size 20 pixels. It's going to also be font weight bold. Needs to be bigger, 25. Doesn't look terrible. Let's stat unit is going to get a font size 12 pixels. And stat label, same thing, font size 12 pixels. Doesn't look terrible. It's too tall. Height 100 is wrong. Let's make the height 80. Let's make the height 90. That's pretty close. But there's also probably some padding on the sides. Padding 0, 10 pixels. 15, 20, 18. That's not terrible. We're done. We're done because time is up. 75%. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't get very far. I mean, it's not that bad of a score, but I'm not really pleased with how far I got in 10 minutes. Yep, that's what it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.